Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by making sure you have recoverable copies. If you don't, stop and create a backup now. Once done, identify exactly which folders and file types you will remove and note exclusions so you don't delete system data. Then open a terminal or your file manager and list the directory contents to confirm targets. Use lsla to reveal hidden files and verify counts. This lets you proceed confidently and avoid accidental loss. Now you perform the deletion steps methodically. First, run a dry run to show what will be removed, for example, echo or find. Name pattern print. Once the list matches your intent, execute the recursive delete with rmr or use your file manager's bulk delete. Make sure hidden files are included. If files are owned by another user, escalate with sudo or adjust ownership temporarily. Monitor progress and pause if unexpected items. Finally, make sure deletions are complete. Empty the trash or recycle bin and confirm disk space regained using df or your storage utility. If files contained sensitive data, perform a secure wipe or use shred to overwrite remnants before declaring the job done. Once verified, reboot if needed to release locks. If something goes wrong, for example, a file won't delete, check open handles with else off, stop the process holding the file, or boot into safe mode and retry with elevated privileges.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.